Hi, my name is Alejandro Maeda-Obregon. I'm a PhD student at UCL and I'm a visitor at NEOF, working with environmental DNA with Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City. So my project is about using environmental DNA, a novel technique that collects DNA from the water, which is less invasive and allows us to have a more detailed picture of what's happening at the community level of species. And Lake Xochimilco is this remnant lake of what was a bigger one in which is now Mexico City. This lake is very iconic for us Mexicans because it's the last place in which we found this traditional agriculture system called chinampas, which are like floating islands in which the Aztecs managed to crop maize and other plants. But this lake is also the home, the only home for Axolotl salamander, an iconic animal, and other important species like the mezclapique fish, which is an endangered fish species. So my work will help the conservation of this species by finding the distributions and the current status of these animals that are living in this modified lake by human activities. By combining geographical and molecular data, we can give people that work in conservation these detailed aspects that can help them to locate which areas of the lake are still an adequate home for the axolotl and other native species. In here at NEOF, I have been granted access to different types of equipment, techniques, and settings that allow me to do this whole project, since the lab techniques to the bioinformatics, and all this state-of-the-art environment has also helped me to gain these skills, because the staff also helped me to be trained in these aspects that as a PhD students are new to me, and in the end helps me to deliver the best project possible. I will totally recommend working here at NEOF. It's not only about the access to this state-of-the-art equipment, the lab techniques that you're going to learn, but also the working environment that you're going to be surrounded with, like the lab technicians, staff, other visitors working in their projects. This creates such a positive environment that is going to help you to perform at your best level. And as a PhD student, you're going to learn so much new skills that is going to boost your CV for potential future work in applications.